What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day so far. And I'm excited to finally reveal my $50,000 portfolio. So let's get right into this. The current value of my passive income portfolio is $50,000, $50,048.44. And it says my net cash flow is $48,372.92. And I have actually contributed $43,915 into my portfolio. And we have it on the all time. I started my portfolio a little under 3.5 years ago, and I've currently have a total gain of $6,046.61 for a total return of positive 25.02%. And that comes from market gain, which is $1,675.52 and $4,371.09 of earned dividends. Now, if we go over to the year to date, so far the first 13 days of January, my portfolio has returned $845.89, or a total return of 1.72%. Now, this is under the S&P 500 by quite a bit. If you see, the S&P 500 currently sits at $3,999.09, and it is up 4.57%. So I know last year I showed you guys that I was down 5.82% compared to the S&P 500's, I want to say negative 19.97%. So I significantly outperformed the S&P 500 in a bear market, but now as the market is starting to rally, you can see that I am getting outperformed. So like I have said before, when the stock market is doing great, I am doing good. When the stock market is doing horrible, like last year, I'm also doing good. So my portfolio sort of stays in the middle, which is perfectly fine with me. Now, like I said, I started this portfolio about 3.5 years ago. I first contributed $1,064.38 on September 16th. And I know that seems like a weird number. Where I got that is I had a 401k from my previous employer that was a little bit over $1,200, and I hadn't looked at this 401k in over 3 years. And when I finally figured out my email and my password, I checked it out, and not only did I lose money every single year from market losses, I also paid a ton of money in fees. So once I saw that, I decided to do a ton of research, figure out how I wanted to invest, and I came up upon dividend growth investing. And as you can see, I added another 500 and then another weird number, $435.62 for an even 2000. And my first 10 stocks I ever bought were Costco, Colgate, Microsoft, AT&T, McDonald's, Walmart, Johnson and Johnson, Pepsi, Clorox, and Coca-Cola. And as you'll see a little bit later, I no longer have AT&T, McDonald's, Walmart, or Coca-Cola in my portfolio. So let's look next at my funding history. So in 2019, and just those short 3 to 4 months, I contributed $7,700. In 2020, I did $13,125. In 2021, I almost hit 15,000 at 14,980. And in 2022, I contributed $7,860. And so far in 2023, I've contributed $250. Now, if we take these first 4 years, add them up, and divide by 4, I have contributed just under $11,000 into my portfolio at $10,916.25 on average. So next up, this is an overview of my portfolio, the passive income portfolio, where I will live off the dividends from my portfolio in the future. I currently have 36 holdings. My dividend yield is 3.182%, which I would say is right in the middle range of where you want to be. My dividend growth rate is just over 8%. So I am absolutely fine with having this lower dividend yield. Then my expense ratio is 0.02%, which is super low, so that's absolutely fine. And then I have 20% of my portfolio is going to be in SCHD, 8% in real estate. And as you can see, I have Abbott Labs, AbbVie, American Water Works, ADP, Costco, Dollar General, Duke Energy, General Mills, Hormel, Johnson & Johnson, Kellogg's, Lowe's, Medtronic, Merck, Microsoft, Pepsi, Pfizer, Procter & Gamble, Texas Instruments, Home Depot, the Southern Company, My Income Pie, which is BST and Jeppy. I have Clorox, Altria, Apple, Colgate, IBM, and Verizon. And I do have 6 stocks in my real estate pie. They are O, Stag, LTC, Good, FRT. Now we are in my holdings tab where I'm going to show you guys my top 5 best performing stocks and my top 5 worst performing stocks. Coming in at number 1 is ADP, which is up 70.2%. Then is AbbVie, which is up 63.93%. Then I have Merck, another healthcare company, at 52.32%. Coming in at 4th is FRT at 46.71%. And then last on the list is General Mills at 40.7%. And then if I scroll down, so that was my last real estate stock, BXMT, which it used to be one of my highest performing stocks, but now it's down 3.3%. But anyways, Verizon is my worst performing stock as always at negative 27.9%. Next is Clorox, which is down 12.67%. So this stock has improved. It used to be down 30%. Next is BST at negative 11.72%. Then I have Good at negative 10.01%. This is also a stock that was one of my top performers a while ago. And then last up on the list is Jeppy at negative 5.8%. And so guys, my goal for the future with my portfolio is to just keep contributing consistently every single Monday. I am trying to make more money so that I can invest more because I would like to reach $100,000. I remember watching a video of Charlie Munger where he said the first 100K is the hardest to earn, but once you get to 100K, everything gets easier. So that is my goal now, to take this from 50,000 to 100,000 so I can have a 6-figure portfolio. And guys, with that being said, thank you for watching the video. And if you'd like to see how much money my stock portfolio makes every single month, go ahead and click the next video, which will either be on the left or the right of this screen.